Maybe we'll even jumpstart and say, why is it so important? Why is it that the way a child breathes, like you said, it affects the entire lives, right? Why is it that the way a child breathes, why does it affect their sleep?
Yeah, great question. So when a child is the way a child breathes, not and it's not just a child. These are principles of biology, physiology, neurology. I just happen to be applied in the pediatric world.
Hmm.
When someone's breathing through their mouth, they immediately go into a state of fight or flight. Your brain perceives that as gasping. I tend to work with a more fragile population with their nervous system that's not integrated. They have sensory processing challenges, learning differences, or ASD, ADHD, etc. And so when you already have a nervous system that's having a harder time, functioning in the world that we live in today, and then you have a biological and physiological factor that's not functioning as it should, it exacerbates your neuro